Hi guys, welcome back to Echo Engineer YouTube channel.
Network elements. Network elements can be classified into following four groups. First one, active and passive elements. Second one, unilateral and bilateral elements. Third one, linear and non-linear elements. The fourth one, lumped and distributed elements. What is active element? Active element is nothing but active element is element which have capability of delivering power to some external device are known as active elements. Example of active elements: energy source such as voltage source or current source. Active elements supply energy. Active elements can supply an average power of an infinite time to external circuits. Examples of active elements are voltage source and current source. What is voltage source? Voltage source is a source, one which maintains a constant voltage at its terminal irrespective of the load. Units of volts is V. Current source. Current source is one which delivers a current with respect to load. Units of amperes. Current is amperes. What is passive element? Passive element is an element that are only capable of receiving power are known as passive elements. Here active elements are delivering the power, here passive elements are receiving the power. Examples of passive elements. Some passive elements such as inductor and capacitor are capable of storing energy. What is passive elements utilize electrical energy either by converting or storing it. Passive elements cannot supply average power greater than zero for any infinite time to external circuit. Examples of passive elements are resistor, inductor, capacitor. What is resistor? Diagram of resistor. A resistor converts electrical energy into heat energy. Units of resistor is ohms. It is denoted by R. Next one, inductor. This is the symbol of inductor. It stores the energy in the form of magnetic field. Units of inductor is Henry. Here it is denoted by L. What is capacitor? Symbol of capacitor. It stores electrical energy in the form of electrical field. Units of capacitor is farad. It is denoted by capital C. Unilateral elements. Elements which have different relation between voltage and current for two possible directions of current are called unilateral elements. Examples of unilateral elements is diode. Bilateral elements. Elements in which voltage-current relation is the same for current flowing in either directions are known as bilateral elements. Examples of bilateral elements is are resistor, inductor, and capacitor, and transmission lines, etc. Linear elements. An element in which voltage-current characteristics for a straight line passing through origin is called a linear element. For example, the current passing through a resistor is proportional to the voltage applied to it. What is nonlinear elements? An element in which the voltage current characteristics are not in the same form of a straight line passing through the origin is called nonlinear elements. Inductor and capacitor can be as seen in nonlinear elements. Lumped and distributed elements. The elements which are small in size and in which simultaneous actions takes place for any cause at the same instant of time are called lumped elements. Capacitor, resistor are some examples of lumped elements. On the other hand, distributed elements are those which are non-electrical preferable for analytical purposes. For example, A transmission line which has distributed resistance, inductance, and capacitance along its length may extend for hundreds of miles.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching.
Please subscribe and share.